In this space, join me for a quick little shade garden tour here in Florida. Everything is thriving. Take a look at these year-old snapdragons. Have some bald areas, but it's filling in with some new growth. I think it looks wonderful. Over here is the geranium. She is loving life over here and growing nicely. I do have two more of the same beautiful pink in a full sun area that are doing well. A couple of radishes that actually seeded. That I seeded and worked really hard to get them to grow. Snapdragons, these ones don't open as well. Over here we have the chives. I was hoping for some purple flowers next year, so we got to let it go. We can eat some of it and then kind of ignore it, and it will put itself to flower so it can seed. Chive butter is so good, and you use the flowers for that. Back here we've used the Gerber daisies. We got some new growth. Some celosia, and then our carrots have taken off. I'll have to thin them soon. And anybody else just enjoy being deadheading some of these while you're on the phone, have your cup of coffee, just staring at your garden? I do. I love it, even though it's not necessary. Here's a celosia, and then our beets right here. The sage is doing well, and some radishes, and some carrots. All right, this is a mum that kind of rejuvenated along with these snapdragons. They're gorgeous. They bushed out. They've responded well to water and fertilizer. Back here, another Gerber daisy, but these are going to be a purple mum. Over here, we have the creeping Jenny, and I separated one into three. It looks all right, and I just adore these snapdragons. These ones that stand upright, you could open their mouths. You can just go to the very back and open the mouth. I think it's so cute. Okay, another purple mum, celosia doing well. The radish is taking off. Back here is a beautiful, gorgeous begonia, but I think even in the shade, it has way too much sun. It's okay. Here is a Gerber, and here are two Dusty Millers that are looking bigger and more vibrant than the ones in my full sun. And then here's some more radishes. We seeded those. All right, another Gerber daisy with some new growth, and these radishes are outstanding. Look at this. Another one of the Dusty Millers, some more radishes, and then the third spot is at the creeping Jenny.